Welcome to WordPress, the best tool for making a personal or business website. What is WordPress? WordPress is a platform that gives its users the ability to make a high quality, professional or business website. There is WordPress.com and there is WordPress.org. It is for the purposes of this presentation, we're not concerned with the differences between WordPress.com or WordPress.org. Both of them are very similar. The main objective for a WordPress user is to understand the basic functionality of WordPress. You have come across WordPress knowingly or unknowingly. For instance, Vogue magazine, which is a popular international fashion magazine, is based on WordPress. Google Ventures, which is the venture arm for Google, you have used Google to search the internet, is based on WordPress. Time magazine, a popular international magazine based on WordPress. TechCrunch is a technology journal which is popular in the technology society. It's also a global company, very popular. You might or might not have heard of it. More than likely you have, is also based on WordPress. So, why learn WordPress? First of all, it's very easy to use. You can make a website with WordPress without having to program. So no programming and your website is ready. It will save you time and it will save you money. Right now, if you want to get a website made and if you have no idea how to make a website, you will hire someone to make the website for you who will more than likely use WordPress to make your website to begin with. Then what will happen is that you will find some problems with your website, then you'll hire them again to fix the website. So why not save yourself the time and the money, learn how to use WordPress, and make your own website. And if there are things that you're unable to do, there are things that are more complicated, you can hire someone else to do those components of your website for you. However, by learning WordPress, you'll have control over the basic functionality of your website. If you become good at using WordPress, then you can also make money from WordPress. Some companies have spent even more than the values that you see on the screen on having their websites made through WordPress because their projects are so big. So you can easily make $5,000 for a project, and there are some projects that will easily go up to $500,000 that are WordPress projects. You can bring new ideas to life. So if you have a business idea and you want to get started on it and you want to have a website, then WordPress is going to give you the tools necessary to get your website up on the internet in front of users and get your business started with WordPress. If you have any blog ideas, whatever you want to blog about, may it be about books, may it be about travel, whatever your topic is, you can start a blog using WordPress. WordPress will give you all the tools necessary for a blog. You can have a better internet experience once you understand WordPress. Because right now your internet use might be limited to just email or checking Facebook or maybe watching some YouTube videos. More than likely between email and Facebook. With understanding WordPress, you're going to open the door to the real internet. You will understand how websites are made. You will be able to make your own websites without having to do any programming. And so you really want to take advantage of this amazing tool to be able to appreciate what the internet has to offer, because there is a lot more to the internet than just Facebook and email. You can do a lot more with the internet once you understand WordPress. So stop wasting your time. Time is of the essence, and make good use of your time. And learn WordPress. So time is limited. It is a limited commodity. So take control of your life and time with WordPress. Once you understand WordPress, it is very easy to understand. You don't need to do any programming to build a website. With WordPress, you will get the tools necessary to build a high quality website and at least get some basic websites on the internet. And then as time goes on, you'll keep on learning more within WordPress. More benefits of WordPress. So first benefit is make a website without programming. Then once your website is ready, you can actually collaborate with people from all over the world to work on your website. That side project that you have been thinking about, or that side business that you've been thinking about, you can start working on that side business. If the website was what was keeping you from getting that side project or side business started, once you understand WordPress, you will not have to worry about a website. Then you can focus more on your business. If your current resume is just a Word resume, then you need to have a better online presence by making your own website that talks about what you have done, and your resume needs to be better than that Word resume or PDF resume. A WordPress resume looks about 1,000,000 times better than a Word resume or a PDF resume. And other more examples of websites that have been made in WordPress. There's Bara, which is a shoe company from Europe. There is Groupon, which is a global company based out of America. Their blog is based on WordPress. There is this other website. The reason I want to show you this website is because you can see how colorful this website is. All of this is done in WordPress. The background and the images that you see up front. Here is another website, another news website that is based on WordPress. Here is another website. They've done some good, the way they have placed their images, made in WordPress. Here is another blog that is made in WordPress. Here is an artist's website that is made in WordPress. Here is a university's website that is made in WordPress. Here is an other university's website that is made in WordPress. So there are probably close to 1,000,000, if not more than 1,000,000 websites on the internet that are made in WordPress. So you can't go wrong with WordPress. You owe it to yourself to learn how to make a simple website. So take one step at a time. Everyone needs to understand how to make a website, because we live in a world where the internet is almost impossible to live without the internet. So you have to interact with the internet. It will only benefit you to understand how to make a simple website. So take one step at a time. So there's never going to be a better time to learn than now. And take advantage of the specials that we are offering on the web development class, Make Your Own Personal or Business Website class, and learn how to make a website with WordPress. So you can either get onto WordPress.com, or you can get onto WordPress.org, or you can start your website with Bluehost and have WordPress installed. However you reach that point, the main goal for you is to get access to WordPress, get WordPress installed. And once you have access to WordPress, and once WordPress is installed, this is where the class will begin. The class will begin on your dashboard. This is what the back end of WordPress looks like. And you make manipulations on the back end that make your front end look better, or whatever that you're trying to get your website to show. You make the manipulations on the back end, and this is your dashboard that you use to make your website look the way you want it to look. So WordPress is easy. You have the ability to learn WordPress in a relatively short period of time, and it will only add value to your overall knowledge. It will only add value to your overall internet experience. So we look forward to teaching you how to use WordPress for making any kind of website that you would like to make. And we look forward to seeing you in the class. Thank you.